Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull here with your daily crypto update. Let's get right into it. Well, it's looking like another red day. We had a big surge yesterday. We had like a $10,000 price surge on Bitcoin. We went all the way up from 85K all the way up to 95K, and now we're right back at 90K. Looking at the top 100 crypto bubbles, looks like most of the top 100 crypto bubbles are in the red. I see a lot of double digits. I see TIA, Celestia is down 13%. XLM is down about 10.9% down for the day. So everything's looking down today. We got XRPs down 8% down for the day. So looking at the top 100 crypto bubbles, we are definitely having a red day. Let's look at the coin market cap. See what the prices are right now. Current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is $90,205. Although we did wick all the way down to 89K. Ethereum's at $2,284. It's down 7% down for the day. XRP's at 261. It's down 8.8 for the basically 8% down for the day. Looks like the fear and greed is still in the fear. We got the fear and greed index according to CoinMarketCap is at 39, and the total market cap for the crypto market is at 2.97 trillion, 2.82% down for the day. So definitely everything is looking red today. And also, if you're interested, the altcoin index is at 16. So we're nowhere near the altcoin season. The altcoin season, I guess the index got to be around 70. Once we get to 70 on the altcoin index, according to CoinMarketCap, we'll be in the altcoin season. But at least, they did pump up a little bit, since yesterday. You guys all know that Donald Trump announced that, he's putting ADA, Solana, and XRP as the crypto reserve. Let's look at the coin telegraph and see what exactly what the coins are. Let's see here, Trump. Let's look at Trump. Let's look at it. You guys already know, but we'll go over it anyways. So here's the hot story. The number one hot story is President Trump says crypto reserve to include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP ADA. So in case you guys don't know, I'm sure you guys already know because this happened, yesterday. But basically, Donald Trump, he recently announced that his working group on digital asset has been directed to include XRP, Solana, and Cardano in the crypto strategic reserve. And then, of course, he's also including Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot of people were wondering if he was going to include Bitcoin because when he first, tweeted about the crypto reserve, he only mentioned XRP, Solana, and ADA, but didn't say anything about Bitcoin or Ethereum. All the Bitcoin maxis were getting upset. So later on, he tweeted that, of course, he was going to include Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Let's see what else he says here. I hope you do well at least. This will serve in effect as the core of the strategic national Bitcoin stockpile, the president continued. So there you go. We have 5 Bitcoin, 5 cryptos in the crypto stockpile, in the crypto reserve. One thing I noticed too was that on CoinMarketCap, they have a new category too. If you go to categories, they have a Bitcoin reserve. Let's see here. Let me find it real quick here. It's called something like Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. Let me find it here real quick, and I'll let you know exactly what it's called. Where was it at here? Did I pass it already? Give me one minute here while I'm looking it up. It was something like Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. Unless I passed it already. But I must have passed it already. Let me go back up here. Let's see here. Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, where are you? Okay. See here. Bitcoin ecosystem. I just saw it right now, so I wanted to show you guys. Here, let me go slowly. Let me name them off here. So we got Bitcoin ecosystem, AI agent launchpads, Phantom ecosystem, Arbitrum ecosystem, Injective, SUI ecosystem, Fiat stablecoin. Let's see here. Ethereum ecosystem, Avalanche ecosystem. They even have the World Liberty Financial ecosystem. Let's take a look and see what's in the World Liberty Financial ecosystem. So this is what World Liberty Financial, which is Donald Trump's company, is holding. I guess they're holding Ethereum, USDT, USDC, TRX, Tron, Chainlink, Link, Ondo, Aave, Ethena, ENA, SEI, Move, and Wrap Bitcoin. So there you go. Those are the coins that Trump is holding. Oh, his company is, but basically no, it's his company. Let's see though. Let's continue though. Let's see. I know I saw something about strategic reserve here on the categories. Oh, here it is right here. It's called U.S. Strategic Crypto. So that's what it's called right here. U.S. Strategic Crypto, and these are the ones that are going to be in the U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve. It's called number 1 Bitcoin, number 2 Ethereum, number 3 XRP, number 4 Solana, and number 5 ADA. It looks like they're all down. They were up massively yesterday. They went parabolic after Donald Trump announced yesterday morning that Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano were going to be part of the crypto reserve for the United States of America. Not just on a state level, on the federal level for the United States. I remember ADA was up like 60% up for the day. Solana was up like 30% up for the day. XRP was up like 30% up for the day as well. And now we got Bitcoin down 1.37% down for the day, the last 24 hours. Now we got Ethereum down 7.32% down for the day. XRP is down 8.49% down for the day. Solana is down 8.79 the last 24 hours. And even Cardano is down 8.14. Cardano is at 97 cents. I saw it go as high as $1.07. Solana is at $1.58. I believe I saw it go as high as 80 cents. I saw Solana go as high as $180, and it's at $157 right now. XRP is at $2.60. I did see XRP, top off at $3, and Ethereum's at $2,275. I did see it go as high as like $2,500, and of course Bitcoin's at $90,045, and I did see Bitcoin get as high as 95K. Yeah, Bitcoin surged massively yesterday. Once Donald Trump announced it, it went from 85K all the way up to 95K, and now it's basically retraced 50%, and we're back at we're right under 90K at the time of recording right now. Live right now, I'm seeing the prices at 89,978. So we are dipping below 90K. We did go as low as 89,000 even earlier today. So yeah, looks like it's going to be a very volatile week. It's a very volatile day already. It's going to be a very volatile week. We got a lot of things happening, this week. We got Jerome Powell, I believe, he's got the jobless data coming out on Thursday, March 6th. And then also, on March 7th, March 7th, Donald Trump is going to hold his crypto summit. So it's going to be very volatile. I'll probably see a lot of up and down, a lot of liquidations happen this week. Let's go over the favorites prices over here. So we know XRP is at 260. It's down 8.8% down for the day. Solana is at $157, 8.6% down for the day. Another channel favorite here, XLM, is down 11% down for the day. It's at 31 cents. Avalanche, another channel favorite, is down 4% down for the day. It's at 23.30. We got SUI, another channel favorite here, is down 9% down for the day. It's at $2.86. And let me see. Let's find Jasmine here, another one of the channel's favorites here. Jasmine is at 0.01847. It's at 5% down for the day. Let's find XCN, another channel favorite here. XCN is at 0.019. Actually XCN is green. XCN making a comeback is up 22% up for the day. XCN, hopefully caught that dip. I mean, the 7-day here. It did get as low as like 1 point. Let's see how low it got here. It got as low as 1.3, like 0.01371. A couple of days ago during the dip. Let's see what day was that when it got that low. It was on February 28th. Basically the last day of the month. Hopefully bought that dip for XCN. It got to 0.0137. So yeah, those are the channel favorites right there. So hopefully, let's go over Axelar too. Can't forget about Axelar, another channel favorite here. Let's see, Axelar. Let's look for Axelar. Axelar. Is it in the top 100? It's not even in the top 100, I believe. Okay, let me look it up because it's not in the top 100. Let's see where Axelar is. Whoops. AXL, Axelar. Well, it's at number 140 ranked in CoinMarketCap. It's at 41 cents. Still a great steal. Don't miss out on Axelar. The all-time low for Axelar is about 31 cents. Look at that. We're basically at the all-time low. Just about, like 20% off the low. 20. Let's see. It would be about, like 30% off the low. Let's see. The all-time low is 31 cents. How come it's not letting me go up here? Here it is right here. See, all-time low, 31 cents. All-time high, 265. Current market cap is only $380 million market cap. Total supply is 1.19 billion, and the circulating supply is 925 million. So it's almost all the supply is circulating. So that's why Axelar is one of my favorites right now. I think it's going to do really good this bull run cycle. And if you're looking for not financial advice, but if you're looking for a good crypto that's going to do good this cycle that hasn't mooned yet, that hasn't run yet, think about Axelar. All-time low is 31 cents, and we're only at 41 cents right now. And it's actually, last year they get as high as $2.65. So even if it just got to the previous all-time high, you're still looking at a good, like 6x, like a 6x just to the all-time high. But I think it's going to go way higher than that. I think it could easily do at least a 20-30x from the price of today. So definitely don't miss out on Axelar. So those are the channel favorites. Let's see what else we could cover here on CoinMarketCap. Fear and greed we already covered at 39. So definitely the market's still fearful, especially right now with Bitcoin at 90K. We already retraced 50%. It's going to be very volatile this week. Let's see here. Let's see the top stories here. What we got here. Top stories here on CoinMarketCap. On Cointelegraph. Let's see here. Looks like Trump's crypto reserve plans face Congress vote and may limit rally. Well, it's already limiting the rally because we're already down to 90K. But let's see what this article says. It says, the crypto market surged after Trump's reserve announcement, but analysts warn that the rally may be temporary as regulatory hurdles remain. Cryptocurrency market surged following U.S. President Donald Trump's announcement of a potential strategic crypto reserve, but analysts caution that the rally may be short-lived. On March 2nd, Trump said his working group on digital asset had been directed to include 3 altcoins, XRP, Solana, and Cardano, in the U.S. crypto reserve. The reserve will obviously also include Bitcoin and Ethereum, Trump added in another post on Truth Social. So the announcement triggered a market-wide rebound with the global crypto market cap rising nearly 7% to $3.04 trillion, while Bitcoin breached the 95K level. So the rally may be temporarily due. Still, the rally may be temporary due to lengthy approval process required to establish U.S. crypto reserve, according to Ari Bartier, uh, principal research analyst at blockchain analytics firm Nansen. So this is what she says. I think constituting a reserve by buying new tokens is a complex process that will need Congress vote. That will need a Congress vote. So it will take time. It would be a bit. I would be a bit wary of the substantial of the sustainability of today's move. So so I guess, yeah, I guess she's saying to be cautious because I mean this crypto reserve hasn't been approved by the Congress yet, but it probably will though, in my opinion. It'll probably just take time. But even still, I'm just glad we're around 90K, and we're not at 78K like we were a couple days ago. I mean, we hit 78K on February 28th, so we definitely should be happy that we're above around 90K. Definitely not around in the 70,000s. Um, we definitely don't want to go below 78K. Hopefully that was the bottom. I really hope that was the bottom for Bitcoin. I hope let's see, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart here. Let's take a look at the last 7 day here. See, we hit 78K. We hit 78K on the 27th actually. Well, it was actually the 27th and the 28th. So yeah, it was actually, we hit it right on the 28th. So right when we started February 28th, basically at midnight, we hit 78,000, like $700 according to CoinMarketCap. So we've been rallying up, and then yesterday, of course, March March 2nd, when Donald Trump announced the crypto reserve for Solana, XRP, and Cardano. March 2nd, it flew up all the way from $85,000 all the way to 95K. And now we retraced all the way to $90,149. So let's take a look at the last 30 days for Bitcoin. It's been kind of bearish, just kind of been grinding down. The last 90 days, the last 3 months, it's been bearish too. Look at this. We were ranging between 90K and 100K for the last 3 months. And then all of a sudden, on February 27 and 28, we took that big dip all the way to $78,000. And then we were there for like a day, and then we grinded upwards. And then yesterday, March 2nd, we had that big pump, $10,000 price pump from Bitcoin from 85K to 95K, with the news of Donald Trump adding ADA, Cardano, and Solana, and XRP, and Bitcoin and Ethereum to the crypto reserve. It shot it up to 95K, and now we retraced 50% of the move. We're at 90K. But if you zoom out for a whole year, we're still in the bull run. So I wouldn't get bearish yet. This is the yearly chart for Bitcoin. Look, we're still very, very bullish. I mean, a year ago we were at $65,000. Let's see exactly a year ago. Let's see where we were. Let's see here. Exactly a year ago, we were at $66,000. So right around $66,000 where we were a year ago. So I mean, we're still like $24,000 above the price we were exactly about a year ago. So definitely remain bullish. We're still in the parabolic bull run phase. I do believe we're in the banana zone, like Raul Paul calls it. The last year, the bull run, where everything goes up. This 32% retracement we had on Bitcoin from 109K to $78,000 is normal. I think we're mimicking the 2017 cycle, where we had over like 5 or 6 30% corrections. for Bitcoin in the last year, and the parabolic bull run phase for Bitcoin, which was the last year the bull run on the 2016-2017 cycle. So this is probably gonna we're probably gonna mimic that 2016-2017 cycle. We're probably gonna have a very volatile 2025 for Bitcoin this cycle, this year. And that's going to be even more volatile for the altcoins. Every time Bitcoin has a 30% correction this year, the altcoins are going to get crushed. But then Bitcoin will consolidate and go parabolic again, and the altcoins will surge and moon. So get ready for a very volatile bull run for 2025. But don't get bearish. I don't believe the bear market is in. I do believe 78,000 was probably the bottom, the local bottom. I do believe, we'll probably head to new all-time highs sometime in the near future. I don't know if it'll be in March or in April. I do believe March is probably going to be a lot of volatility. Probably, we'll probably be ranging, between like 80K and 100K for all of March. And then maybe sometime in April, we'll make a new all-time high. But you never know. Nobody really knows 100% what's going to happen. I don't have a crystal ball. Maybe in late March, we'll make a new all-time high, and we might not have to wait until April. But we'll wait and see. I think it's going to be very volatile this March and this year. So it's going to be hard to make predictions. So the best thing to do is just to wait and see what happens. But I'm not selling out. I'm not selling out of my position. I'm not going to let the market maker shake me out. There's too many bullish things going on anyways. Even if we do have big dips to 80K and 78K again, I'm not going to sell my coins. I'm just going to hold till late in the cycle. I do believe Bitcoin's going to run, and make it's going to make a bull run top sometime in September, October, or November of 2025. So I don't plan to sell into them, because I do believe the altcoins are probably going to be running all this year. I think we're mimicking 2017 cycle. We know when XRP, XLM, a lot of the altcoins, they topped off with Bitcoin in late December 2017. So something similar is probably going to happen this year. Probably Bitcoin will top off, in either September, October, November 2025, and XRP, XLM, and most of the altcoins will top off with Bitcoin in late September, October 2025. Don't get bearish. Don't let the market maker shake you out. Look at this yearly chart here for Bitcoin. It's bullish. It's still it's still green. As long as we don't go under 70K, as long as we don't go under the previous 2021 cycle top of 69K, the Bitcoin chart is still bullish, and I don't think we will. I think it is going to be very volatile. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of liquidations, a lot of leverage liquidations. The market maker is going to, make the Bitcoin go up and down, with a lot of volatility, so they could, liquidate all the longs and the shorts that are in leverage position. Let's take a look at some more news here we got on CoinMarketCap. See what else is going on here. So let's see here. Let's see here. Any more liquidations? So let's see. I saw something about liquidation here. Let's see. Oh, here it is right here. I want to read this here about the liquidations. So Bitcoin returns under 90K as crypto market liquidates $150 million in hours. Bitcoin and crypto are back liquidating late longs as the Wall Street Open brings a fresh round of sell-side pressure with market keen for Trump reserve cues. Bitcoin sold off at the March 3rd Wall Street Open as U.S. trade tariffs kept risk asset traders on their toes. So data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed Bitcoin USD drop below 90K, shedding up to 5% on the day. Yeah, we dipped as low as 89K. So the initial excitement is over. The initial excitement over the prospect of a U.S. strategic crypto reserve saw weekly highs before sell-side pressure kicked in as tariff returned. A suggestion from U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick on CNN that President Donald Trump should decide on tariffs against Canada later on in the day contributed to a nervous open for stocks. Bitcoin's own reversal took its toll on longs, with cross crypto liquidations passing $150 million in 4 hours to the time of writing, per data from monitoring source CoinGlass. A positive note, meanwhile, came from anticipation over a reported investment announcement scheduled by Trump for 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So it looks like Trump's going to have a announcement, at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So that's about 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Over here right now in the West is 9:18 in the morning. So that would be around, 12:30, 11:30, 10:30 in the morning. So probably we're about an hour and 10 minutes away from Trump's announcement. I'll be done with this video by then. So keep an eye out. Around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Trump's gonna is going to make an announcement and see what he's gonna say. It's either gonna pump the market or he's gonna dump the market even more. See what else we got here. Let me see here. Just when we think Trump has exhausted his cards, he may still have more surprises up his sleeve. Let's see, which key events could shape the market this week, and could they be a catalyst for the elusive all-time high? So Bitcoin traders hope for a higher low construction to play out on the Bitcoin USD, fueling potential rally towards lost support levels closer to 100K. Bitcoin broke down from the range, dumped hard, and immediately climbed back up to reclaim the range lows. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So Bitcoin is showing a similar pattern as the previous consolidations, with this recent range breakdown and retake to hold. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably too small for you to see that range. Okay. See what we got here. Well, that's pretty much it for Trump news. Well, and another news, just right now it came out that SEC has dropped a lawsuit against Kraken, ending politically motivated campaign. So the SEC just dropped the Kraken lawsuit, and they just recently also dropped the Coinbase and the Gemini lawsuits. And they also dropped a lawsuit against Robinhood, Uniswap. So that's like 7, crypto-related lawsuits that the SEC has just dropped if you include Kraken. Let's see what it says here. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has agreed to drop its lawsuit against Kraken, the cryptocurrency exchange revealed on March 3rd. The move ends what the exchange calls a wasteful, politically motivated campaign and clears the path towards a stable, forward-thinking regulatory regime. According to Kraken, the lawsuit is being dismissed with prejudice, with no admission of wrongdoing, no penalties paid, and no changes to Kraken's business. The SEC sued Kraken in November 2023, alleging that the exchange acted as a broker-dealer exchange and clearing agency without registering in the SEC. The SEC, under Gary Gensler's leadership, was prone to a policy of regulation by enforcement, suing or investigating crypto companies such as Coinbase, Uniswap, and other companies like OpenSea for a variety of reasons. This approach was widely criticized in the industry for stifling innovation, targeting legitimate crypto companies instead of going after bad actors, and more. So yeah, I guess that's in the past now. I guess they're shifting. The SEC is shifting a regulatory climbing. Since the change in SEC leadership, the SEC has dismissed or is rumored to drop various lawsuits in investigating that began during Gensler's tenure on February 27. So there you go. This is the seventh. Lawsuit that the SEC has dropped or dismissed. Again, they dismissed well, they paused the Binance case, but they dismissed the Coinbase case, they dismissed the Uniswap case, they dismissed the Robinhood case, they dismissed the Gemini case, and they dismissed the Consensus case, and they just dismissed the Kraken case. Let's see here. Also, in case you guys don't know, Trump is going to host the first White House Crypto Summit on March 7th. So President Trump will host the first White House Crypto Summit on March 7th, bringing together industry leaders to discuss regulations, stablecoins, and Bitcoin reserve legislation. The attendees will include prominent founders, CEOs, and investors from the crypto industry, along with members of the President's Working Group of Digital Assets, according to the announcement shared by the White House AI and crypto czar David Sachs on March 1st. The summit will be chaired by Sachs and administered by Bo Hines, the executive director of the working group. So there you go. This is the actual post right here. It says, the White House announced today that the President Trump will host and deliver remarks at the first ever White House Crypto Summit on Friday, March 7th. Attendees will include prominent founders, CEOs, and investors from the crypto industry, as well as members of the President's Working Group on Digital Assets. The summit will be chaired by the White House AI crypto czar David Sachs and administered by the Working Group's executive director, Bo Hines. So there you go. More bullish news for crypto. So hopefully, this definitely stabilizes the crypto market. We don't want to go back below 80K. We're at 90K right now, but we definitely don't want to go back below 80K. Let's see what other news just came out here on Cointelegraph. It says popular meme coin bolsters security with AI power solution. Let's see what this says real quick. Meme coin space tightens defenses against scammers with AI-driven security to fend off phishing attempts and protect assets. Community-driven meme coin project Baby Doge has integrated AI-powered scam detection and brand impersonation tools by Web3 Antivirus, a comprehensive security solution designed to protect crypto users in the growing world of Web3. For any malicious actor in the Web3 space, there is no place to attack better than the meme coin ecosystem, due to its swift hype cycles, enthusiastic communities, and constant influx of new investors that can overshadow vital security considerations. The natural result of this landscape has made the meme coin market a prime target for scams, phishing attempts, and brand impersonators, raising serious concerns about user protection and trust. Baby Doge, a popular meme coin with a massive community, was not immune to such interest either. As it grew in popularity, fraudsters have taken notice, launching malicious campaigns designed to exploit unsuspecting holders. To battle fake social media accounts and scam websites, Baby Doge has taken a proactive stance by integrating artificial intelligence-powered scam detection and brand impersonation tools built by Web3 Antivirus into its ecosystem. So there you go. I'm glad Baby Doge is fighting back. So hopefully, this keeps the Baby Doge fraudsters and scammers away. Let's see. Speaking about meme coin, I saw here that Ronaldinho, he launched his own meme coin. Let's see what it's doing. See if it's doing any good. All these celebrities are launching their own meme coins, making a quick buck. Let's see. I saw it somewhere here about Ronaldinho launching his own meme coin. Let's look it up here real quick. Okay. Ronaldinho, where are you? I saw it here somewhere. Ronaldinho. Where was it at? I saw it not too long ago. It just came out here. It says meme coins from Social Experiment. No. FTX. Well, I'm way past it. Let me go back here to the top. I must have passed it. Let's go to the top here. Let's see, Ronaldinho. Let's look for Ronaldinho here. Oh, also, it looks like MicroStrategy stocks pops up 50% following Bitcoin weekend rally. Let's see. 1. Okay. Let's see here. Well, what happened to this Ronaldinho story I saw? Okay. Disappears somewhere. Here it is right here. Ronaldinho launches token with 35% insider supply. Hits 397 million market cap. Let's see real quick. This new token triggered tokenomics and cybersecurity concerns among industry watchers following the latest celebrity endorsement meme coin scandals. Look at Ronaldinho making a quick buck. Soccer legend Ronaldinho, the Gaucho, is the latest public figure to launch a cryptocurrency, joining a growing trend of celebrity-backed meme coins. Ronaldinho launched his meme coin STAR10, STAR10, that's a ticker, on the BNB chain on March 3rd. Holding this token grants you exclusive experiences, real benefits, signed collectibles, and even my own AI agent, built for those who want to be part of history, Ronaldinho wrote on March 3rd. As part of his tokenomics, 5% of STAR10's fees will be donated to social causes chosen by the token's community. So here's STAR10 right here. I guess this is what the logo looks like. Ronaldinho. STAR10. So within 10 hours of the token's launch, STAR10 peaked at $397 million market cap at 9 a.m. UTC time before retreating to a $274 million market cap. However, Ronaldinho's new meme coin launch raised tokenomics and cybersecurity related concerns amid industry watchers. Investor sentiment remains fragile after the $4 billion collapse of Libra, a meme coin endorsed by Argentine President Javier Milei. So Ronaldinho meme coin raises security tokenomic concerns. The STAR10 meme coin's tokenomic raised some red flags among investors, considering that 35% of the token supply was allocated to insiders, including 20% for Ronaldinho and 50% for his team, according to the token's homepage. However, 5 insider wallets holding the majority of the STAR10 had not sold any coins and had not instead and have they haven't sold any coins and instead added liquidity to trading pools. Okay. Well, anyways, be careful, guys. I mean, I'm sure Ronaldinho is probably going to cash in. So they might not be selling off yet, but I'm sure they're going to sell off. I mean, Trump did. The Argentine president, a Libra coin did, and I'm sure the Ronaldinho coin will also, sell off. So, I wouldn't be buying, STAR10, the Ronaldinho coin. Not financial advice. You go ahead and buy it if you want to, but I wouldn't buy it. But anyways, let's go back to the Bitcoin price. See if Bitcoin's gone up or down. Well, looks like it's just holding steady right now at 90,357. So, we are down though. We're down, 2.77% down for the day. We we were at 95,000 just a little bit ago, and now we're right back at 90,000. Yesterday we were as low as 85K. So, we went all the way up to 95K, and now we retraced to 90K. But as a whole, the fear and greed is still at 39. Bitcoin right now, before I sign off, is at 90,354. XRP is at 260. It did get as high as $3. Solana is at 157, and ADA is at 97. So remember, guys, the big takeaway is that Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and ADA are going to be part of the U.S. crypto reserve. So definitely, don't miss out on those 5 blockchains, and don't miss out on their layer 2s, and all the Solana, base, coins out there. and as well as the ADA and Ethereum, layer 2s and base coins. So definitely, keep an eye on those 5 chains. They're probably gonna go up in value. Once the U.S. starts buying them, everybody's gonna start FOMOing into them like they did yesterday. But just my final thoughts here on Bitcoin and the crypto market. Don't let the market maker shake you out. I don't believe the bull run is over. I don't believe the altcoin season is canceled. I do believe it's going to take longer for the altcoin season to come in. I do believe the altcoin season is probably going to come in later in the cycle. In the 2020-2021 cycle, it came in like late February and March, which I thought was going to happen this year. But it looks like we're mimicking the 2016-2017 cycle, where the altcoin season basically, it kept running all the way until the end, and it topped off with Bitcoin late in the cycle in December 2017. So this is kind of good. This just means, if you're lucky enough to have some dry powder, if you're late to crypto, you still have time. The altcoin season hasn't started yet. So, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm doing, any kind of dry powder I get, I'm DCAing into my favorite cryptos, like like LeAI, Aria AI, XRP, Solana, Avalanche, XLR, Jasmy, XCM, just to name a few. So definitely stay bullish. I don't believe the bull market is over, and I do believe, eventually we will make new all-time highs and go to higher prices. And once Bitcoin finally gets to new all-time highs, it'll trigger the altcoin season, and all your favorite cryptos are going to run and go parabolic. So stay bullish. Don't get bearish. Don't let the market maker shake you out. At least we're at 90K right now. As long as we don't go below 70K, the bull market is still on for Bitcoin. Smash the like buttons, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Think about joining the Patreon. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.